The Earth has about 1,500 active volcanoes, most of which are located in the Ring of Fire, and that does not include supervolcanoes like Yellowstone. A volcano's lava isn't always red. It can be yellow or even white, depending on how high the temperature is. The hotter the lava, the brighter the color. Then there's the fact that precious gems like diamonds, peridot, and obsidian are all linked to volcanic activity. As for the effect volcanoes have on nature, well, the lava can form new islands and the ash clouds can create lightning or block out the sun, causing the earth to cool. Oh, and the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons on Mars, 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Want to keep expanding your knowledge? Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.